Hillstone CloudHive Intrusion Prevention, IPS, and antivirus features. In this section, we will introduce Hillstone CloudHive Intrusion Prevention and antivirus features. In the current demonstration environment, there is a virtual machine that can simulate SQL injection attack and upload a virus. To utilize these two features, users need to create profiles under the Intrusion Prevention and Antivirus module, then create policies with these profiles. This way, CloudHive will be able to detect the SQL injection and virus upload actions. Let's create the profile first. Go to Antivirus under Object, then click Profile. We have already created an antivirus profile. Let's take a look. In the profile configuration, users can choose file types, protocol types, and specific actions to each protocol type. In the same way, we have created an intrusion prevention profile under the Intrusion Prevention module. In this profile, users can filter the signatures based on OS, attack type, protocol, severity, year, application, and bulletin board. In the protocol configuration, we can configure the details for each protocol. Here for web server in HTTP protocol, we have enabled SQL injection protection. After both profiles are created, we can go to Policy to view these profiles. Click Protection under Policy Configuration, enable Antivirus and IPS and choose the corresponding profile we just created. Now let's log into the virtual machine that can simulate the SQL injection and virus attack. Let's simulate SQL injection first. Also let's start the virus attack. Upload the virus here. Now go back to the monitor page of CloudHive, click Detail. Under Threat, you'll notice both the virus file and SQL injection attacks are detected.